Here I have a photo of a young family, a small family that is, I believe they are at the beach enjoying their time. But now I want to remove the photo of the wife and maybe leave the dad and the kid alone. So what I'll do, I'll just erase the wife simply like this, and I'll click on the go button on the left. Hey, where is she? She's gone. So is that magic? No, that is artificial intelligence. That is AI. So in this video, I'll be showing you the top 5 tools, the top 5 artificial intelligence tools that will make your work easier, that will improve your productivity, that will save your time as well. But I have a question. Is it possible to save time? Well, I don't know. So maybe you can tell me in the comment section whether we can save time or we can just use our time efficiently. I don't know. We can save money, and that money will save us tomorrow. So here is a cycle of saving one another. But I don't know about time, whether we can save time or we can just use our time well. So let's dive into the video and see what I have for you. Before we continue, I request that you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share with your friends also. The first AI tool is chatgpt. I know most of you are asking, maybe what is this chatgpt? And again, I also know some of you have heard of it before, because this model was released 2 months ago. So what is chatgpt? And instead of me defining chatgpt, I'll just type here as a query, what is chatgpt? And then the model will tell me it's a conversational AI model developed by OpenAI, and it is an advanced language model trained on a diverse range of internet text and can generate human-like text based on the input it receives. So you just give it a query, maybe you ask a question, and you can also maybe ask for some instructions. For example, here I don't know how to make chicken biryani, so I just type recipe for chicken biryani. And so here it is. It will tell you the ingredients that you need and also the steps to follow in order to make your chicken biryani, right? And the instructions. I'll click on stop generating and I'll go to the next query. Now this model can also help you to write code. So for example, let's say I want to design a website and I just need a code for the header section. So here just type HTML code for website header. And I'll click on the enter button. And here I'll get the code. It will generate this code for me, and what I need to do is just to copy the code after it is generated. So I'll just copy this code and paste it on my code editor. I'll click again on stop generating because I don't need all that info, and I'll click on, let's say for example, I write API call in Python. Here you can give any language that you want to use or that you are using. So for me, I'll type API call in Python and it will generate this code that I can. So the next thing, you can also ask some questions or whatever you need to know. Maybe I'll not cover all that is in this chatgpt, but this is one of the best models to ever be developed. So it was released, by the way, in the end of November 2022, and as at the moment it has gained so many users within a very short span of time. So guys, we go to the next tool, which is output.ai, and with this tool you can turn imagination to art. I just mentioned the common tasks that you can do. You can remove backgrounds, you can remove objects, you can colorize old photos, and also enhancing faces and restoring damaged pictures. So for example, I'll click on the turn imagination to art, and then it will ask me what I want AI to draw. So I believe no one amongst us has ever seen a yellow cat. So let me ask it to draw a yellow cat. And I'll click on create. So I'll wait for my image to be generated. Wow, this is it, a yellow cat. Yellow right here, this is yellow. I don't know much about colors, but that is it. So you can also do different tasks like removing backgrounds or removing objects. So you can try these different options. For me, I'll click on remove objects, and here you'll click on the image icon here. So I'll add this mountain here. It is one of the highest. This mountain is in Tanzania. We have some elephants in the foreground. So what I'll do is I'll hover around these images with this eraser. After all this, I'll click on the go button on the left. And within a few seconds, this is what AI is doing. As you can see, my elephants are gone. And now what we have is just the photo of this mountain with no elephants to be seen anywhere. You can try the different options here. You can click on remove backgrounds, you give your image, and you'll get your image with a clear background. So that is it about Hotpot. Let's now go to the next tool. Our next magic tool is, we are not talking about magic here, we are talking about artificial intelligence. So our next AI tool is Runway, and with this tool we can see we have more than 30 AI magic tools, real-time video editing, collaboration, and more. And then what you have to do is, if you have an account, you have to click on the login. If you don't have one, you have to create a new account by clicking on the sign up button. So here I don't have an account, so I'll click on try Runway for free to see how this thing is working. So with this tool you can make videos, and they are saying that you don't have to download any software. Everything that you do, you'll do it on your browser. If you can see on the main website, what they are saying is here you just need to give some text and it will generate. So for example, here we are generating some beautiful flowers, and you can see, and then clicking on the vase you can change the color or whichever. So here I'll click on try Runway for free and see how this tool is working. So once we're here, they're saying you brush over an area to begin in painting, and I'll brush over this image here. I'll now click on the preview button, and you'll get a video without any person in that video. So this is just like Photoshop but in video. You can as well try other AI magic tools in Runway ML. And that brings us to the end of the video. If you enjoyed it, kindly subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share with your friends as well. In case you have any question, comment down below and I'll get back to you.